The subject of today's video is the 10 worst mistakes new beginning affiliate marketers make and how to avoid those mistakes. Hello, my name is Novak, and this is my video diary series of my experiences as an affiliate marketer. Please click on the thumbs up button below and subscribe to my channel for weekly video updates on the world of affiliate marketing. You can also get 2 free affiliate marketing ebooks. Just click on the link below. Thank you. Quickly, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing involves earning a commission from 5 to 50% of the sales price by promoting a product or service made by another retailer, advertiser, or company. Affiliate programs are usually free to join, so you don't have to worry about high startup costs. However, beware of any affiliate programs that charge you to join. Do not give them your credit card number till you do your research first. Okay, number 1, not finding the right affiliate programs to sell. Do not try to reinvent the wheel. Sell what is already selling. First, start with the three top selling categories, which are home businesses, aka e-business and e-marketing, health and fitness, such as weight loss, and personal development, which includes self-help and spiritual belief systems. I already have a previous video on how to do this. Just click on the subscribe button below to watch that video. Number 2, not thinking long term. Be ethical. Think long term. Focus on the best products, not the best commissions. Build your customer base by only selling products or services that have real value. Something that you would try and use yourself or would recommend to friends and family without hesitation. Number 3, not diversifying. You must diversify. Do not build your entire business on one affiliate program or even one category of programs. If you are relying on income from one program and Google Ads decides to take that program down for whatever reason, your income is then instantly cut off till you can appeal their decision. Also, for example, if you are in the weight loss category, diversify to a completely different category, such as online chat jobs or whatever piques your interest and is trending up. 4, another big mistake here, not having back-end recurring commissions. You need back-end recurring commissions. Stick with products or services that offer back-end recurring commissions, such as a monthly customer orders of weight loss pills or software programs that have a monthly subscriber fee. This strategy will earn you thousands of dollars more over the long term without spending one extra penny on advertising. 5, not reading your affiliate program's terms of service and conditions is a huge mistake. Most affiliate programs have restrictive conditions that you must adhere to, or you'll be terminated from that program if you violate their terms. Amazon is the worst at this. So if you're terminated, all your work you've done creating that ad is in the toilet. A typical restriction is to not use certain keywords in your ads, such as the name of the program you are promoting. For instance, if you are selling Exapure will not allow you to use the keyword Exapure. 6, not having good content and keywords. Big mistake. What you say in your ads and in the keywords you use are hugely important. Do a Google search on the product or service that you're creating content for and copy and paste the content your competitors are already using in their ads that appeals to you. This also includes headlines that grab your attention. Then that pasted material, then you rework that content and those headlines into your own ad, so you don't have to start from scratch. Do some serious keyword research. I use Google Ads, Keyword Planner, and Neil Patel's new Uber Suggest. That's ubersuggest.com for keyword search. Also, use Excel spreadsheet for all this data, and that will keep your head from exploding with all this data. 7. The next mistake here is not slowing down. Slow down. Do not start spending $1,000 a day with Google Ads or any other promotion. You could lose everything you have by doing this. Start a new campaign, let's say on Google Ads, with just $10 or even just $5 a day budget. Test, test, test. Let the market response to your ad be your guide, not your emotions. Keep daily stats on a spreadsheet for each ad you run, and also do split testing on your ad's headlines and content. Run your numbers every day. 8. Do not get paralyzed. Who dares wins is the motto of the SAS British Commandos. Overanalysis can lead to paralysis. Thinking too much can lead to fear, and then you end up doing nothing. Remember, you control your budget, and you can test almost anything you try for only $5 a day on Google Ads, and you can pause that ad at any time and rework the content and then start it again till it works. 9. Not building your customer email list. Not building your customer email list is a huge mistake. One method is to use ClickFunnels opt-in pages to collect customer email addresses by offering them a teaser, such as a free ebook or free list of solutions that relates to the product or service you are promoting. Now you can see my offers below for free ebooks. 10. Not last, not least, not getting coaching. Not getting coaching is the stupidest thing you can do as a beginner. If you're a beginner, you absolutely need coaching. Affiliate marketing has so many ins and outs, ups and downs. You need the wisdom of mentors who have been around the block and are already very successful affiliate marketers. Having a coach will fast track you to success and save you from costly rookie mistakes. Click on the links below where it says see more for a list of my recommended coaches. The simplest and best affiliate coaching program for beginners is Devin Brown. With Devin Brown, you can simply get your toes in the water and get a feel for affiliate marketing. And you can find Devin's link below. The best Google ad and ClickBank training is with John Crestani and his SAS training system. His link can be found below. I am currently enrolled in both the Pajama Profits training system with David Chevalier as my coach, as well as with the Partner with Anthony training program. My coach there is Anthony Morrison, who is a giant in the online marketing business. In fact, all four are giants in the online marketing business. And he has the dollar numbers and the ClickFunnels 2 million dollar words to prove it. Plus, Anthony has hundreds of cutting-edge YouTube videos and tens of thousands of YouTube followers. Anthony Morrison's complete affiliate video training is a 30-step course with over 100 teaching videos that are the best and most up-to-date videos on the market. No internet stone is left unturned. Now, to get this world-class training from Anthony Morrison, John Crestani, Devin Brown, or Pajama Profits, click on the links below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next week with more of my video marketing diary. Your comments are most appreciated. Give me a thumbs up if you like my video, and please click on the subscribe button below. This is Don Novak, and I'll see you again next week with a new video to your continued affiliate marketing success.